In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Wise Digital Card in Japan. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Wise offers plenty of digital cards. These digital cards can be added to all sorts of wallets, including the Apple Wallet and the Google Wallet, which in turn allows you to use them in store to make contactless payments anywhere in the world, or you can use them online by revealing the card details. So to set these cards up, you will need to open the Wise mobile app and go over to the card tab. I'm going to assume that you are already signed into an account and it has been verified and you already use it. If you still don't have a Wise account, then you will have to go through the verification process, which I'm not going to cover in this video. Once you go over to the card tab, if this is your first time using Wise, you will see the option to order a new debit card. So when you tap order a debit card, you can choose between digital or physical. For this video, I'm going to be focusing on digital. So it is free to use, so choose to get a digital card instantly, and you will be able to customize the color of the card to make it easier to identify. So if you want to, you can separate various different digital cards. Once you choose the option to acquire the digital card, it is going to be ready right away, as long as you are signed into an account and you are verified. There is no limitations to your virtual card. So choose the option to add to an Apple Wallet or the Google Wallet if you want to. Like I said before, this is going to be useful if you plan to use your phone's NFC capabilities to issue contactless payments. If you tap on View Card, you can see the details about it here. So you can review all of the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, which allows you to make purchases online. You can freeze the card, show the PIN, and if you scroll down, you will see all the options to manage the card. So you can change the card controls if you want to disable transactions, you want to disable contactless payments, online payments, and so on, replace the card, set up limits, and so on. It is extremely simple to use, and the Wise card is going to work anywhere in the world. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Wise Digital Card in Japan. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.